In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can make money with Fiverr by creating logo designs for people. I'm going to teach you everything you need to know from creating your Fiverr account, how to actually go ahead and make the logos, how to go ahead and get your first customers, and even how to actually outsource the whole process so it's an automatic business which basically earns you passive income. So let's get right into it. Now, first things first, we need to go to fiverr.com and we need to go ahead and sign up for an account. So I'm going to go here and press join, and I'm just going to join with Google. You can join with whatever you want to. You can use your email, you can use Apple, you can use Facebook. Okay, so let's select a username. It can be anything you want. So I'm just going to put Andy Guide, press create account, and we're now ready to get going. So it's going to ask you what you've created your account for. We're going to go ahead and press selling my freelance services. What type of freelancer are you? Side hustle, solo freelancer, agency employee, or agency owner. Let's just do side hustle for now. And what's your experience? Just put I'm just getting started here and press finish. Now we're going to go over and we're going to complete our seller profile. So we're going to click the become a seller button here and we're going to press continue. It's going to give you a bit of stuff, what makes a successful profile, that kind of thing. So I'm going to press continue here. It's going to tell you some rules, so don't be misleading, no inaccurate information about your identity. You can't open duplicate accounts, no soliciting other community members to work on Fiverr, and you can't talk outside of Fiverr. That's a big one. If you do any of these, you're going to get banned, so make sure you don't. So first thing first, we have to go ahead and actually put our details in. So our full name, our display name. I'll walk through all of these. So put our name, our display name, then we want a profile picture. A profile picture is going to be a really good one to use. Make sure you have a good one, because this can make a big difference. So select one that makes you look friendly and professional. So I've just selected this simple one here. Now for the description, it's going to ask us a little bit about what we do, our experience, that kind of thing. And for this, you can write it yourself, or we can use ChatGPT. ChatGPT is always going to be a good option for this kind of thing. So I'm just going to put, I am a logo designer and need a description about me for my Fiverr profile. Please write one at least 150 characters. So I'm going to go ahead here. There we go. Let's just copy that in. Paste that in here. Okay, cool. Languages, we can put our languages. So I'm just going to put English, and I'm going to put native. I'm going to add that, and then I'm going to press continue. So now it's going to ask for our occupation here. So I'll just put graphic design. I'm going to say that I've been doing it for 5 years. It's good. I've been doing it for more than actually. Let's say I've been doing it since 2013 maybe. Select the different skills you have. So I'm going to put logo design here. You can do other ones if you want to, like UX design, if that's something you can do. And then skills. So I'm going to put graphic design. Experience level, put expert. Always want to be an expert. And then we're going to put our education here if you have any. It doesn't matter. If you've got certification, you can. And if you've got a website, you can do that as well. So now it's going to ask us to verify our phone number if we want to. We don't have to do that, but it's going to be better if we do that. So now our profile is all set and ready to go. So first of all, we can actually go ahead and create a gig here. So we can start off with I will, and we can put create a stunning logo for your business or whatever. Now for this, what we want to do is we actually want to think of a niche that we're going to make our business in. So I will make a stunning logo for your YouTube channel, for example. We want to make sure we are a little bit niche down. So maybe we'd want to say gaming YouTube channel. That will be probably saturated. So maybe we can say something like, we could say Fortnite YouTube channel, or we could say cooking YouTube channel, or whatever it is. But we want to basically go niche. The better we go, the niche we go, the better. Perfect, like that. Next up, category. We're going to put graphic design, logo design here. We can select the styles. It's really up to you, the styles that we do here. Then we've got the keywords that we want people to look for. So logo, design, graphic design, YouTube, background. Remember, put your niche in here and put your keywords in here like that. I'm just going to select cartoon. I'll just leave it like that. And I'll just select all of these. Okay. Oh, we need to declare that and then press save and continue. And we can go ahead and price it. So we're going to set our pricing packages up here. You want to name them. So you've got your basic package, standard, your premium one. And you can name it so we can say simple design, advanced, and we can say something like full YouTube package. Now the key to actually getting sales to begin with is being very, very cheap, essentially. If you're cheap, you're going to get reviews. If you get reviews, you're going to get more customers, and you can then increase your price. We want to have fast times as well. So we want to be fast, we want to be cheap. We just want to be really good for the customer, basically. So for example, if I was going to start out, I might put £5 for this, and then for this one I might do £10, and then for this one I might do £20. Start really low, as low as you can basically go. If you want to, down here you can select extra fast delivery, you can do additional revisions, you can do other logos, logo transparency. You can do all of these settings here as well, for sort of like upsells if you want to. But yeah, just fill in all this information as much as you can and provide as much value to the customer as possible. So I'm just going to say 1 logo, 2 logo, 3 logo. Obviously in here you want to put a lot more detail than I've just done there. Okay, and we'll just turn these off. I don't want these upsells on. You'd probably want to put these on, but for now the goal is just to make a profile which has a lot of good reviews on, and also, yeah, just one that people are buying from actively. Again, I've just pasted in the gig description here. We can generate a new one on ChatGPT if we want to. We can save and continue. And then we can also have these questions here. So these are questions that we ask the buyer when they place an order. So tell me about what you want the logo to look like. So save and continue. And now we have to get some images for it. Now the best way to get images is I would go to ChatGPT, or you can go to something like Midjourney and you can find some images. I believe GPT-4 is the one that's going to be able to do it. I think GPT-3 can't do it. Let's have a look. Design a logo for me. So yeah, GPT-3 can't actually do it for some reason. I think GPT-4 can. Now what you can actually do is you can use Canva to create your logos, or you can use Midjourney. Midjourney is great for it. There's a website here I love to use called PromptBase, and it's basically you can go ahead and buy prompts on here, and we can buy logo design prompts, which are really, really good. So we can go over here, we can type in logo, and we can find some very popular logo prompts. So these are all ones that you're going to be able to generate with Midjourney if you get these prompts. So let's say that we're trying to create some gaming ones, I guess, or some gaming text logos, or maybe these ones here. These are really cool, actually. These are really cool. So if we were to go ahead and actually buy this prompt here, it would the prompt would basically teach us how to, or the prompt we could use that we get from this would be able to be used in Midjourney, and it would generate images like these, which are really, really cool, as you can see. So this to me is like a really cool one that we could use for our images, and we could just copy this image here, and we could use this on our Fiverr gig as our image, basically. Now another way we can go ahead and do this is with Canva. Canva is obviously a very easy one to do. We can create a design. We can just go to logo here, and then on the logo tab they're going to have a ton of different templates here that you can go ahead and use. So for example this one here, or they've got this one here. You can basically just edit these. It's very simple to do. Test logo. Yeah, it's very simple to do, and a lot of people will be happy with that for $5 or whatever. So you're going to want to put that all into here, and you're going to publish your gig. And by having the cheapest prices and the fastest time, you're going to get yourself a ton of different people actually coming to you. Now you can also go ahead and do a lot of different listings on here. So you might want to have some that look like this. You might want to have some that look, you know, like this, or this, or this, or this. Basically, you just want to have a lot of different listings that might catch people's eye. That's a big key for being successful with it, just basically having a lot of different gigs available. And then once you're happy, you can actually go ahead and outsource this to some workers on online jobs. And this is basically a Filipino website. And if we're looking for talent, we can put logo design. And we can hire a logo designer for full-time or part-time logo designer at a very affordable price. So this person here. And we can pay them to basically design the logos for us for our Fiverr gig. That's basically how you go about doing it. So if you enjoyed the video and found it useful, be sure to like and subscribe and comment down below that it helped you out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.